Abaqus tutorial lesson 72, how to operate complex contacts within multiple parts in Abaqus. The core is very humane. Let's go. I will create very simple part, 3 part. 1, 2, 3. This is rigid. Okay. Compare contact inner element contact and inner element contact this inner element. Okay, how to do it? Part 1, cell revolution, discrete rigid. Reference point. Part 2, part 3. Okay, very fast. Assembly. Okay. Step. Dynamic explicit. Mesh. 1, 2, 3. Okay. First, pay attention to I will create surface. Create mesh. Continue. Click this inner. Select from all entities. Select all. Done. Pay attention both sides. Both sides. Okay, same operation. 2 surface create mesh. This, don't forget. Done. Both sides. Surface geometry rigid. Select the color is brown. Okay. Okay. Pay attention. Very complex contact. I will show you, demonstrate for you. General contact. Okay. Selected surface pairs. All self rigid 1, rigid 100, 1, 1, 100, 100, 1, 100. Okay, all compare all surface pair. So all the contact pairs have taken it into account. Okay, okay. Do you follow me? This is my Chinese WeChat. Advertising time is my email. You'd better record a video for me so I can understand exactly what your question is. Not theory, not material. Okay, bye bye. See you tomorrow.